We are going to be needing only papaya leaf. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always coming back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use papaya leaf to make hair growth treatment. And guys, papaya leaf is loaded with lots of nutrients, vitamin, and it contains lots of health benefits both for the health and the hair. So for this video, we are just going to be making hair growth treatment. So let's just dive straight into the process. So yeah, I'm just trying to cut off the unwanted part. Guys, every part of papaya leaf has its own health benefit, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using only the leaf to make this treatment that will help to grow long hair. It will also help you to turn white hair into black hair, and papaya leaf also helps in stopping hair fall, and most importantly, papaya leaf also helps to clean the scalp. When the scalp is clean and well conditioned, this promotes a healthy hair growth. So you always want to make sure that your scalp is well conditioned and clean. So after cutting the leaves, you want to make sure you wash the leaf to make sure you're working with a clean ingredient. And after that, I'm just going to put it in the blender and add some water and blend. After blending, I went ahead to strain it, and after this, I'm going to be adding one more ingredient to this, so keep watching. Now I'm going to be adding a spoon of pure coconut oil. This oil is what will help in retaining moisture. You can use honey or you can use olive oil, but make sure you add in oil or honey just to help you retain that moisture you're looking for. So guys, at this point you can see how this is looking like. It's so greenish, and you can tell this will condition the hair so well. So I am just going to pour it into my applicator bottle, and I'll go ahead and show you how to use this as your leave-in spray, because I'm going to be applying it on my protective style and I'm not going to be washing it off. So this is me just trying to pour it into my scalp because I'm on protective style. If you're not on protective style, you just want to make sure you pour it all over your hair. Then you just give it a good massage. Then you put your hair in a protective style. Just make sure you're working it directly into your scalp because you want your scalp to be so conditioned. I'm going to be using this treatment once in a week because I currently have other DIY treatment that I'm using. So I'm going to be using this papaya leaf treatment once in a week, and I'm not going to be washing it out. So guys, I do hope you try this out and let me know what you think. If you watch this video to this point and you've not given it a thumbs up, please support me by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button for me. Thank you so much. Love you all so much. Till I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.